Hey everyone, welcome back to our brand new video. In this video, I will show you how to watch the anime on your Fire TV. And this is by far the best method, smooth, bug-free and completely free. The app you will find is called Anime TV and it is available on GitHub. All you have to do is download and install it. Here is how. First, make sure your Firestick has unknown source enabled. Then open the browser on your Fire TV. If you are not sure how to do that, you can easily find a tutorial on YouTube. Once your browser is open, go to the link provided in the description. Simply copy and paste the link in the browser. Let it load and download the latest release of the Anime TV app. After downloading, install it on your Fire TV and you will be able to stream anime smoothly without any issue. And that's it. This is currently the best way to watch anime on Fire TV. Thank you for watching.